Hello, I'm Dan, product expert at KADO, so it seems like you want to create a digital business card for you. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to set up your account, design your card, edit your profile, activate integrations, and finally use the digital business card yourself. So, let's get started. We recommend signing up from the web. You will be able to log in via Outlook or Google one-click login. Otherwise, you may log in with your email and a one-time passcode. Then, fill in your basic details to access the account. Once you access the platform, we recommend you start with setting up your company details. Head to Manage Company, under Company panel, and fill in your basic company information, such as your name, website, and a short description. This info will appear under the About Us section in the card. If you want to show an address or location on your card, head to the Offices tab. You may add an office or address to which you can later assign yourself. The office name will not appear in the card, but can be used as an internal reference. As for Teams, you may ignore this tab, as it is a multi-user account feature. Next, let's take a look at the card design. Head to the Card Design tab under the Company panel. Note all changes and edits applied under this section will be replicated across the board and all your users. From here, you may change the color of the background, icons, main text, and secondary text. You may add the hex colors or choose other colors by clicking on the palette icon. You may add as well your cover picture. The image should be 600 x 200 pixels in size. You can also add extra buttons, videos, and socials to the card. If you don't plan to add more users in the future, you can do it from this card design section. Otherwise, we recommend you add your personal buttons from your profile, where we will head next. Let's have a look into how to edit your card. You may do this either from the phone app or web, but we recommend doing it from the web. To do so, head to your profile. Under Card Info, you will be able to edit all your basic information, such as your phone number, email, or position. You may also add buttons that are personal to you, such as a link to your calendar or a YouTube video of a personal interview. Just click on Add Content, select Button or Video, and fill in the display text and URL. You may also add your own socials, such as your LinkedIn or Twitter accounts. Just head to Socials, click on Add Social, select the network that you want to add, and fill in the display name and URL to your profile. From KADO, you will also be able to create virtual backgrounds with your QR code, which you can use on Teams or Zoom calls, as well as to create click-through email signatures that you can add to your Outlook or Gmail accounts. Next, let's have a look at available integrations. You may bi-directionally integrate any captured contacts and notes with different CRMs, such as Salesforce, HubSpot, and many others. This will allow your team to keep up with CRM housekeeping and save time. Head to the Admin panel, then Account Integrations, and select the CRM of your choice. You may even choose what teams will benefit from the integration, so that only these ones send and receive data from the CRM. After connecting, the integration may take up to 10 minutes to kick in. Now that your account is set up, it's time to download the app and start sharing your card. We have added the links in the video description as well as on the welcome email and knowledge base article. In order to share your digital business card, head to the Exchange screen. There, you will see your QR code as well as the option to share your digital business card via link. You may also add your QR to your Apple or Google Wallet, as well as a widget on your phone. Once someone scans your QR, they'll be able to see and interact with your digital business card online. They will be able to either download your contact or revert back their details. If they click on Download, they'll be able to save your contact onto their device. However, we recommend you always ask them to revert their details, as you want to make sure you capture their info, and they will also get your digital business card in their inbox. They will be able to quickly fill in the contact form with autofill and send it back to you. You will then receive a notification in KADO. Click on the notifications bell to see your newly captured lead. Leads are contacts that have been captured via your form. You may decide to reject the lead, edit it before saving it, or accept it directly. Accepted leads turn into contacts. Once you save the lit, It turns into a contact, and only then will it get said with any of the available providers, such as CRMs or Outlook. Now, let's have a look into how to manage your new contacts. Your recently saved contacts will appear under the home screen. Click on one of them, then on Relationship Science. From there, you will be able to add notes and tasks on the go to make sure that you do not forget any important detail. Just click on Create and choose whether you want to add a note or a task. Plus, these notes will also get synchronized with your CRM. Depending on your contract, you will also be able to see all your emails and meetings held with that particular person. Finally, you will also be able to download the LinkedIn profile of your new captured contact and see where they worked or studied. You may realize you both went to the same high school. From the home screen, you will be able to see a summary of your recent activity, such as pending leads, recent contacts, and latest notes and tasks, making your contact and relationship management simpler and more efficient. As you can see with KADO, you will not only be able to easily share your digital business card, but also capture contact information, add notes and tasks on the go, and review your meetings and emails under a single screen, making networking and contact management considerably more efficient and productive. Saving you time from CRM housekeeping and other admin tasks, it's time to turn your network into business. Welcome to the new era of networking and relationship management.